I'm Barry Winger, Bellingham, Washington, and I was a senior environmental planner at the Washington State Department of Ecology for 26 years until I retired this March. And I spent a lot of that time looking at big picture issues on impacts of really large projects like that. This project proposed. I should have worn red, but I didn't know about that. Anyway, I have just a couple of comments I want to make to the folks here. I'll be submitting a real long list of scoping comments soon. And basically, I would like to encourage you to look at the cumulative impact of all the coal facilities on the West Coast on vessel traffic and ballast water in particular. Those are two areas I actually have a lot of expertise in. With all those ships, when you start tracking where they're going to go, they all go up the West Coast, Pacific coast, at best the BC coast, up to one little teeny pinhole pass called Unamak Pass in the Aleutians. And then they go on the inside the Aleutians by the Bering Sea and Bristol Bay, thousands of miles or so out to the other side of the Aleutian Islands, and then they come down to all of Asia, China, Japan, everything. That's the same thing for the tar sand ships are coming down from proposed Burnaby, quadrupling the number of tar sand ships, with the ones coming from Kitimat, Prince Rupert. They all go to the same place. Turns out the impacts from these vessels could be devastating to all the Pacific Northwest salmon, because all those salmon, after they spawn, even all the way down the Columbia River and further south, all the smolts go up to the Gulf of Alaska. The research is in, 10 billion smolts a year go there. If there's a collision between these gigantic coal ships and these tar sand ships in that area or anywhere along the way, which is very likely with that kind of traffic being increased up to about 2,500 ships a year, it's going to be devastating. So please track where the vessels go. And the herring, the Terry Point herring, which are supposed to go off the coast of Vancouver Island, and see what the impacts will be from spills. Thank you.